It demonstrates innovation and modernity in the processing industry, but also shows special attention to quality and efficiency at every step of the process. If you've enjoyed our video, please leave a 1, and if you didn't like it, leave a 0. Blubber is considered a valuable source of essential amino acids, supporting muscle development and maintaining health. It provides abundant minerals such as iron, vitamins A and B, playing a crucial role in maintaining bone health and enhancing the immune system. Blubber in particular stands out for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health and the nervous system. These fats help increase cholesterol levels and bring various other benefits to heart health. Do you think this whale dish could stimulate your taste buds? In addition, fish meat can be created into attractive dishes such as extremely delicious canned fish floss. Farewell to Japan, let's head to the sturgeon farms in the United States. Did you know that sturgeon is one of the ancient fish species still existing today with a history dating back over 100 million years? There are approximately 27 different species and some are artificially bred for caviar production. Did you know it takes a sturgeon 6 to 25 years to produce eggs? Sturgeons typically inhabit freshwater environments such as rivers, lakes, and inland streams. Greenhouse for cultivation, they are stored in a cool room for a period of 11 to 17 weeks at a temperature of 11 degrees Celsius. Have you ever wondered why tulip bulbs need to undergo this process? In fact, it's a sophisticated technique to deceive the tulip bulbs that it is winter. This process triggers germination and new root growth, making them think that they need to start growing again when spring arrives. In this way, the tulip bulbs are brought into the greenhouse with full strength to begin their development process. The greenhouse is designed with a stable environment to ensure that tulips will grow as best as possible. During this process, machinery is used to support the automatic cultivation of tulips. Have you enjoyed the taste of cheese balls? Cheese balls can be prepared in many different ways, from frying, baking to steaming. With their rich flavor and delicious cheese taste, they are often popular at parties and events and are a great snack for all ages. Are you spending a lot of time rolling cheese or cake balls? This device will help you solve those troubles and bring you the best products. Sausages can be transformed into countless delicious dishes, from simple snacks such as grilled, fried and stir-fried sausages, to more sophisticated dishes such as sausage sandwiches, sausage pizza and noodles. Stir-fried sausage. Each dish has its own flavor, but they all share the same ability to awaken all the senses. Have you seen the cool green appearance and round shape of cucumbers? The combination of crunch, sweetness, and natural aroma makes cucumbers an ideal choice for meals. After harvesting, cucumbers are carefully stored and packaged to keep them fresh and natural in flavor. Preserving cucumbers after harvest ensures that they retain their freshness and best flavor, adding appeal and nutritional value to each piece of cucumber. Lemons are often praised for their pleasant sour taste combined with a delicate aroma, creating a stimulating experience for the taste and smell senses. Using lemon as the main ingredient in many cocktails, desserts, or as a spice for country dishes or seafood, creates unique and attractive dishes. Do you often use them? Please comment below.